This is an activation of the emergency alert system on our South Central Kansas WX.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dale County in southeastern Alabama, Henry County in southeastern Alabama, East Central Coffee County in southeastern Alabama, until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New Brockton to Kinsey, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Abbeville, Headland, Fort Rucker, Ozark, Enterprise, Midland City, Level Plains, Newton, New Brockton, Ariton, Pinckard, Kinsey, Grimes, Newville, Napier Field, Haleburg, Shorterville, Hunt Field, Waterford, and Hooper Stage Field. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Tallahassee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Coffee, Dale, and Henry.
This was the activation of the emergency alert system on our South Central Kansas WX.